In this video, we will show the best coffee tables center tables in India 2020. At number 1, Hariom Handicraft Sheesham Wood Coffee Table. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 2, Cello Oasis 4-seater center table. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 3, DeckUp Siena Coffee Table. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 4, DecorNation Lawanya Coffee Table Set. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 5, Bluewud Osnale Coffee Table. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 6, Craftatoz Multipurpose Wooden Folding Table. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 7, Urban Ladder Claire Compact Coffee Table. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update.